Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. I know the situation of COVID has been very worse these days. We seem to be a lot worried, but I have brought some remedies, which at your home itself you all can perform that remedies, and it will be easy for you all to get rid of COVID. Okay, so see, the main thing is recently we have seen that COVID has created a havoc in our surroundings. We cannot go outside, we cannot live a regular life. But this remedies, what I said, will definitely help you to do that, and rather it will help you to improve your immunity also. The main thing why you all are facing problems, or why we all are facing problems during COVID or for because of COVID infection, is because our immune system is very weak. Okay, we never needed immune system. Whichever diseases were exactly present in our surroundings, we always had a specific medicine for it. So that medicine used to be consumed by us and we were fine with it. Okay, we used to get okay. We didn't even care that we are getting used to that disease, or we are getting our resistance system, that is immune system, is not being able to defend that disease. We didn't know that. But now, according to what COVID is nothing but a group of viruses. COVID is a single virus, and there are a group of viruses called as coronaviruses. They're just brothers of rhinoviruses, which cause cold and cough. So these are the viruses which will stay in the system always, in the surroundings always. So somehow the other way we need to get our immune system stronger so that this doesn't affect us ever. Okay, so therefore they have brought some remedies which will help you all to do it. Okay, so how to improve our immune system? So immune system improvement is must these days. Okay, the COVID-19 or coronavirus or COVID-2 DG, whichever virus you talk about, these viruses have the ability to infect your body because your immune system is low or weak. So I'll tell you some remedies how you can improve your immune system. Let's see one by one. Okay, so some immunity boosters are there which we know but we don't use that in day-to-day life. Okay, I will provide you with some immunity boosters which are cheap, which don't have any side effect, as well as they are easily available. You don't need to go to any medical store to get it. It is very easy to find that in your grocery stores itself. Okay, first and foremost important thing is the proper sleep. You need proper sleep. Okay, 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep is required. Okay, 7 to 9 hours generally preferable, but 8 hours also is fine. And the most optimum time is 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. So it's 22 hours to 5 hours or 500 hours. 2200 hours to 500 hours. Okay, so therefore here you can observe that proper sleep. What does proper sleep provide? Along with the immunity boosters, I'll also provide you the information regarding how they work. Only few things I have mentioned. I have not mentioned all the benefits of these immunity boosters, but definitely they will help. Okay, so proper sleep is the first immunity booster. Second, proper exercise, not more. Proper workout, not more, only 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, and sweating is compulsory. And the third is nutrition, proper amount of nutrition. Okay, so having raw foods or fast foods, I'll explain you the meaning of it, like salad, fruits, sprouts. Along with that, cooked food, having cooked food also. Okay, but less amount of cooked food. Okay, so in short, we will talk about each of them. Okay, related to COVID or related to your immune system. Okay, so these 3 points, remember these 3 points, are the mantras, and I will also help you all in understanding how these things work in your body. Okay, first and foremost thing is proper sleep. What does proper sleep provide? Proper sleep provides you recovery time. Whenever you sleep, your body gets a proper recovery time. Okay, it rejuvenates your immune system, as well as it prevents the formation of reactive oxygen species, that is your ROS. So reactive oxygen species generation is prevented, and therefore your body stays more fit. Okay, along with that, if I talk about exercise, so any type of cardio exercise can be done. Running, brisk walking. If you're not able to run, you can brisk walk. If you're not able to walk, you can cycle. If you're not able to cycle, you can maybe swim. Okay, these days swimming won't be preferable definitely because of COVID infection, but if you have a personal pool, definitely you can. Okay, so cardio workouts are best. Why? Because they force your heart to work more for some amount of time, not for whole day, for some amount of time. Okay, so I personally recommend good amount of exercise because I do it. and I've got a very positive effect. Rather, I do all three of them and I got a very good positive effect out of it. Sometimes I mess up in sleep, but other thing, I make sure that I perform them. Okay, so what does workout do? If you see workout basically detoxifies your body. Okay, as you sweat, and along with that, it heats up your body. So more amount of heating in your body creates heat which clears the tract, respiratory tract. Okay, along with that, it increases the stamina, that is increases your heart capacity and improvises the breathing also. Okay, so see, if you see the disorder which I'm talking about, COVID, okay, or coronavirus infection, that is related to your respiratory system. Here, that is being cleared, so definitely it will be helpful. If I talk about proper nutrition, I prefer or I would suggest that you should have raw foods or fast foods. Okay, Padma Shri Dr. K.K. Agarwal, recently, yesterday itself he passed. Okay, I had heard from him about this term fast food. He explained what does fast food mean. He said we should have fast foods. What does fast food mean? The foods which are available to us instantly. It doesn't mean Chinese food or maybe junk food. It actually means the food which is readily available. Like you can take a carrot and pick up and eat. You can take cucumber and eat. So that is what is fast food. So having raw foods or fast foods is best. Have raw food, fast food the whole day. How much ever time you want, you can have it. Okay. But make sure you have cooked food only once. Definitely to give you a good result. There are also there's a new diet plan called as NDA, which was given by Dr. Kiran Vatare. Yeah, okay, he stays in Nasik. He has given a new diet system NDA, which I personally follow, and there are some certain vegetable smoothies, raw vegetable smoothies in this, which should be consumed, which gives positive effect. It has given me positive effect. If you want to know the recipe of it, you can definitely ask me in comment section. Okay. Coming back to this, having raw foods, fast foods like salad, fruits, sprouts. Sprouts is one of the good kind of food, okay, because sprouts provide fibers in your body, as well as it allows or gives good amount of proteins, which is always necessary for the body. Okay, try to have cooked food only once a day. Okay, what does this pattern of nutrition do? It provides your body with rejuvenation power. Okay, it provides your body more time to concentrate on immune system and on other activities rather than your digestion. See, if you eat cooked food, your stomach is focusing on digestion for more time. See, raw foods, when you consume raw foods, do not have more amount of substances which can be absorbed by your body. Either they can be absorbed or not absorbed. Very rarely some substances are digestible. When your stomach or intestine works on the digestive system to digest it, then more amount of energy focuses on your digestive system. If it focus on digestive system, that energy which was going to be used for maintenance of your body or recovery of your body will reduce. The amount of energy will reduce for maintenance and more will be consumed for digestion. So if you reduce the work of your stomach, automatically the remaining energy will go to the other part of the body for recovery or for maintenance. The amount of energy what we have is constant. Okay, so we need to understand how to distribute it. And believe me, I'm following this since 2018. Okay, and I've got very nice results. Okay, along with that, your immune system also improves. Okay, and definitely this system detoxifies your body, provides good amount of fibers to your body. Therefore, your digestive system also cleans regularly. Okay, you have a healthy heart, you have a healthy digestive system. So these are some basic points what you all can follow, which will definitely improve your immunity. And try to understand, if you follow this for 7 days, for the course of 7 days, and then you expect improvement, it is not that easy. Okay, I am talking about changing your lifestyle. See, but change in lifestyle will definitely give you good results. Try to understand this. We always tend to take medicines. If a person has a heart problem, what that person says to doctor, that sir, whatever you want, give me whatever medicines you want, but don't tell me to stop eating some stuff. That is not correct. Change your lifestyle, no need of taking medicines. If you want to take medicines, your body becomes brittle, your kidney stops working. There are many more problems what you start facing, due to which that will definitely cause problem for you. Okay, change your lifestyle, definitely all things will come on track. Okay, you have seen big celebrities, you have seen very famous people who never ever mess with their lifestyle. They always try to maintain their physique with their lifestyle. not only with gymming. Okay, so try to understand this thing. By having a proper sleep, by having proper amount of exercise and having good amount of nutrition, it will be definitely possible for you to get rid of this COVID, or to be protected always from COVID. Okay, see, sometime it happens that you're not able to follow the diet. It's okay, but not regularly. Please make sure you perform this activities regularly. If you have any difficulties related to diet plan, I can even provide you with a specific diet plan which will help you all in your day-to-day life. It will also provide you a good amount of energy and also a good lifestyle. Okay, so you yourself will start feeling the change and improvement in your body, which will definitely help you. Okay, and this for sure that this diet plan will give you such kind of results which you have never observed. You use beauty products, you use cosmetics to improve your skin quality, okay, to improve your hair quality. Try to use this instead of anything. I'm sure that this will even tighten your skin, even give a clearer skin and fairer skin. 101%. Okay, try to have these three. If you have any difficulty in following this, please let me know. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Recently I posted my last video. After that, approximately 26-27 subscribers have increased, so I'm happy for that. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm happy you all are liking whatever I'm giving you all. Okay, thank you.